Good morning, everyone. Let's discuss about the chapter 10 communication and network concepts. Right? What is there in this chapter? So, we are going to discuss about the networking. What is networking and its concept? Right? Okay, and networking is used for communication. So, we are going to discuss about the communication and the network concepts. Right? Well, introduction. In the history of mankind, networking in any form has always given better results, better outcomes, and better utilization of resources. For instance, you always benefited from have benefited from the human networks. You want to buy a certain book which is not available at the bookshop near you, but your friend who lives in a different part of the city say he can buy it for you as this book is available in the workshop near his house, right? So this is how you can help or this is how you got the help from the human network or your friends network. So this is how this is the beneficial to you, that you got the book just because of your friend, right? Okay. In fact, network is useful in all the forms. Computer networking is no exception, right? Connection among make human network, and connections among computer make computer networks. Computer network, right? Two or more autonomous computing devices connected to one another is in order to exchange information or share the resources from the computer forms a computer network. मीन्स जब मैंने दो या दो से ज़्यादा कंप्यूटर डिवाइसेस या कंप्यूटिंग डिवाइस एक दूसरे के साथ अगर कनेक्टेड हैं तो हम उसे कहेंगे कि दे फॉर्म्स द कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क. द कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क इज़ अ कलेक्शन ऑफ इंटरकनेक्टेड ऑटोनोमस कंप्यूटिंग डिवाइसेस सो एज टू एक्सचेंज द इंफॉर्मेशन और शेयर रिसोर्सेज. For example, if it in your home, you can connect your smartphone, your laptop with your smart TV, gaming console, and the print simultaneously, either using the cable or through the Wi-Fi. It will be termed as a computer network. We can see in the picture here is the computer network. So devices are connected to each other using some network device, maybe router or something else. राइट एज शोन इट इज़ अ राउटर. तो वाईफाई से कनेक्टेड है ये सारी डिवाइसेस, कुछ केबल से कनेक्टेड है. यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं ये वाईफाई से कनेक्टेड है, ये वाईफाई से कनेक्टेड है, ये केबल से कनेक्टेड है, जस्ट लाइक दिस. ओके. Computer network are very useful in many ways. They facilitate the resource sharing, resources such as the storage, software, etc. on the network can be shared, right? Enhanced communication. Communicating with devices on the network is easier. Cost reduction. Resource sharing cuts on the cost, right? And so forth. Okay. And one more thing, we are going to use the network and computer network interchangeably, so that both are same for our particular syllabus or topic. Okay. Now, components of the computer network. Merely by joining two computers with a cable, one form a network, right? In fact, there are many components that together make a network. We are briefly discussing below the major component of computer network. The major component of computer networks are hosts and nodes, servers, clients, network hardware, communication channels, software, network services, etc. Host and node. The term host or node refers to the computer that are attached to a computer network and are seeking to share the resource of the network. Of course, if there were no nodes or called workstation, there would be no network at all. तो नेटवर्क में नोड्स क्या है, होस्ट क्या है? नोड्स और होस्ट जो कि नेटवर्क में कनेक्टेड कोई डिवाइस है, कोई मशीन है, ठीक है, जिसके बिना नेटवर्क नहीं हो सकता. सर्वर इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट computer in a network. A server is responsible for making the networking task happen. In other words, in a server a server facilitates the networking tasks like sharing of data, resource sharing, communication among the hosts, etc. So server is the machine, as the name says, implies itself कि server who serves to someone, right? तो host या node जो machines हैं, node machines are going to request for doing some task, and the task is going to be done by the server. So that is the server machine. That is very important. And when I am saying client, so those more nodes, those who are actually requesting to the server to do something are known as clients, right? So the client is a related term. A client computer is a host computer that requests for some services from the server. Network hardware consists of many devices like who helps in forming the network. Say your NIC, network interface card, that might be there, and I'm having some MAC address or the IP address. Using that device we can connect a particular system to a network, or a device to a network. Hub, switch, router, these are the connectivity devices, जैसे कि अभी हमने पीछे पिक्चर में भी देखा था, and many others. Next, communication channel. Hosts a network interact with the other host and servers through a communication channel or the communication medium. ठीक है, तो कम्युनिकेशन चैनल इज द वन जिसकी हेल्प से एक कंप्यूटर दूसरे कंप्यूटर से या एक डिवाइस दूसरे डिवाइस से कनेक्ट करेगा आपके नेटवर्क में. तो दैट इज नोन एज द कम्युनिकेशन चैनल. दैट कुड बी वायर्ड और दैट कुड बी वायरलेस. वायर्ड नेटवर्क है अगर, तो उसमें हम डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ केबल्स यूज करेंगे, लाइक ट्विस्टेड पेयर केबल, कोएक्सियल केबल, फाइबर ऑप्टिक केबल्स टू कनेक्ट द सिस्टम्स टू ईच अदर और कनेक्ट द डिवाइसेस टू ईच अदर. एंड इन केस ऑफ वायरलेस communication we are using some wireless technology, like it may be microwave, it may be like your radio waves, satellites, infrareds and laser, etc., right, to communicate or to connect different devices to each other. Alright, next, software. The software layers of the network makes the networking possible. These comprises of network protocols, network operating system, etc. ठीक है, what is protocol? A protocol refers to a pre-decided set of rules. ठीक है, that is important, pre-decided set of rules. तो protocol is nothing but the set of rules, and network operating system is a specialized operating system that can handle the networking task. Alright, then the last one is network services. So network services are like, these refers to the application that provide the different facilities over a network, such as DNS, domain name system. That is a very important thing. DNS, domain name system, file sharing, VIOP, and many more. Right, DNS is domain name system. Whenever we are requesting for any site, so we are requesting through some domain name. So this domain name system is actually work with that domain name what we actually request for, right? It's like this. Okay, now let's continue with the type of networks. A computer network means a group of network computers that are linked by means of the communication system. A network can mean a small group of linked computer to a chain of few hundred computers of different types, right, spread around the world. So, right, so the type of networks are basically LAN, WAN, PAN and MAN. LAN is local area network, WAN is wide area network, PAN is personal area network, MAN is metropolitan area network. स्मॉल कंप्यूटर्स नेटवर्क, लैन की हम बात कर रहे हैं, लैन लोकल एरिया नेटवर्क, स्मॉल कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क दैट आर confined to a localized area like an office, like in building, or you can say within 1 kilometer area, normally you can say the apartment or something like that, are also as a local area network. The key purpose of a LAN is to serve its user in resource sharing. The hardware as well as the software resources are shared through LAN. Okay, so for example, for instance, LAN users can share data, information, programs, printers, hard disk, modem, etc. A typical LAN Configuration: one computer is designated as a server, file server normally. It stores all of the software that controls the network, right? And most of the LANs cables are used to connect through the network interface cards in each computer that we have already discussed. Network interface card, right? NIC. Okay. Now, wide area network: a network spreads across countries or on a very big geographical area known as WAN, wide area network. Yeah, a wide area network is a group of computers that are separated by large distances and tied together. It can even be a group of LANs that are spread across several locations and connected together to look like one big LAN. The WAN link computers to facilitate the fast and efficient exchange of information at lesser cost, and higher speeds. Right. So this is how your LAN and WAN looks like. All right. There have been traditional another type of network, that is MAN, metropolitan area network, which refers to a network that is spread over an area as big as a city, but these days these terms have become redundant. Okay, the internet is a giant WAN. The WAV is also a WAN, and please note that the WAV, World Wide Web, is a part of the internet, not the complete internet. Okay, there is some differences between LAN and WAN. तो it is spreads over a small area. LAN की बात हो रही है. WAN, it spreads over a very large area. ठीक है, WAN की बात हो रही है because WAN is spreaded over the across the globe, right? तो इसलिए very large area हम कह रहे हैं. It usually costs less to set it up and it costs higher to set it up. It is usually a single network. It is usually a network of many networks. Okay, now next, personal area network. So personal area network क्या है? The personal area network is the interconnection of information technology devices within the range of an individual person, typically within a range of 10 meters. For example, a person traveling with a laptop, a personal digital assistant, and a portable printer could interconnect them without having to plug anything in. Using some form of wireless technology such as Wi-Fi. Typically, this kind of personal area network could also be interconnected without wires to the इंटरनेट और अदर नेटवर्क्स. इसका एक बहुत अच्छा एग्जांपल आप ले सकते हो जब आप अपने मोबाइल फ़ोन से आपके लैपटॉप्स या कंप्यूटर्स को नेटवर्क में कनेक्ट करते हो, आपके मोबाइल फ़ोन के हॉटस्पॉट को यूज़ करते हुए, या फिर आपके मोबाइल फ़ोन्स के हॉटस्पॉट को यूज़ करके आप आपका एंड्रॉयड टीवी या स्मार्ट टीवी कनेक्ट करते हो. तो दैट कुड बी वन एग्जांपल ऑफ दिस. Okay, type of network, why the component roles. So we have two type of network for this. Okay, peer-to-peer and client-server networks. What is peer-to-peer network? The peer-to-peer network literally implements the meaning of the word peer. That is, each computer on a peer-to-peer network is equal, because peer says equal, समानता है ना, सारी चीज़ें एक बराबर हैं. Right, so peer-to-peer network is equal. That is, each computer can play the role of a client or a server. In other words, there is no computer designated as in charge of the network operations. Right, this is known as the peer-to-peer network. Peer-to-peer networks are popular as home networks and for use in small companies, as they are inexpensive and easy to install, but they are limited in scope and are difficult to secure. Okay, now client server network. What is client server network? Unlike peer-to-peer network, biggest network prefer to have the centralized control. They do this by clearly designating the server and clients. Such networks are called client server networks or even master slab networks. ठीक है, where master is your server and client is your slab. On bigger network installation, there is a computer reserved for the server's job, and its only job is to help the workstation access data, software and hardware resources. It does not double up as a workstation, and such a server is known as dedicated server. Means आपका जो सर्वर है जो कि डेडिकेटेडली इंस्टॉल किया गया है, रखा गया है आपके नेटवर्क के लिए, जिससे कि आपके नेटवर्क में जो भी क्लाइंट की रिक्वेस्ट है उन रिक्वेस्ट को वो पर्टिकुलर सर्वर सॉल्व या सर्व कर सके, एंड दैट सर्वर इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी वर्क एज अ वर्क स्टेशन. ओके, तो वो कभी भी आपके वर्क स्टेशंस को डेवलप नहीं करेगा. ठीक है. On a network, there may be several servers that allow workstations to share specific resources. For example, there may be a server exclusively for serving file-related requests, like storing files, deciding about their access privileges, and regulating the amount of the space allowed for each user. This server is known as file server. Similarly, there may be printer server or the modem server. The printer server takes care of the printing requirements or requests of a number of workstations, and the modem server helps a group of network user use a modem to transmit the long distance messages. Okay, a dedicated server operates solely as a server on a network, while a non-dedicated server can shuttle between the client as well as server role. ठीक है, तो that could be done in the client server model, and that could be done in a you say peer-to-peer network. Okay, what is client computer? A client computer or a client is a computer or other device on the network that requests the utilities, network resources, and many other things from the server. A server is a computer on the network dedicated to processing the client requests. Now let's differentiate between client server and peer-to-peer model. The server, ठीक है, in case of client server security, the server controls the security of the network, and in peer-to-peer, no central control over the security. Right? Management, the server manages the network, needs a dedicated team of people to manage the server. No central control over the network, anyone can set up. ठीक है. Dependencies, clients are dependent on server, clients are not dependent on a central server. ठीक है. Rather, they are individually intelligent enough to do the task. Performance, the server can be upgraded to be made more powerful to cope with the high demand. If the machines on the network are slow, they will slow down the other machines too. Right? Backups, data is all backed up on the main server. Each computer has to be backed up. Data can easily be deleted by user. तो यहाँ पे एक जगह से बैकअप लेना है सर्वर से ही, और यहाँ हर एक से लेना हो सकता है, क्योंकि वो हर एक इंडिविजुअल मशीन है.